Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
These rubber furniture caster cups from CasterMaster are so cool. This is a product that I never knew that I needed, but it solves such an interesting problem of your furniture either sliding around or creating indents in your floors. These are great because they're anti-slip, so they can fit on so many different types of flooring. I mostly have carpet and tile, but they're also great for hardwood and vinyl and laminate. They work with so many different types of furniture, which I love. And they come in a variety of sizes. I have the 2x2 size in a set of 8, but they come in multiple, so there's definitely a product to fit whatever you need in your home. They're so great too because you know how when you put a piece of furniture down and it creates that dent in your carpet that's so hard to get rid of? This can solve that problem, and they're really sturdy. I know my furniture isn't going anywhere, and this thing is just really cool. It blends in really nicely. Love it.
I love this product, and that's my point of view.